Hi, Jocelyn. Hi. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Can you show us where the doggy is? Where is he? Yeah. There's your doggies. What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? Does he say, woof, woof? Yeah. Can you show us how you walk? Jocelyn? Jocelyn? Can you walk to that doggy? Can you walk to your other doggy? Walk to your doggy. Yeah, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Good girl. Now can you walk to get that doggy? Go get that doggy. Look, doggy. Go get your doggy. Go get your doggy. No, over here. Look, Jossie. Jossie, over there. Look, do you see that doggy? Do you see your doggy? Here, look. Look. Look, watch. Watch mommy. Look. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Come get me. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Nope, stand up. Yeah, whose doggy is that? Whose doggy is that? Are you coming to get me? Are you coming to get Mama? Oh, did you need a big snuggle? I love you. Look, you have to look at the camera. Jocelyn, looky here. Where's Jossie? Oh. Are you gonna walk more? Yeah, you're a good walker. Whoops. Was that enough walking? Oh no, you're gonna do more. Wow. Wow. You're the big girl. Hey Jocelyn, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? You want to just look at your doggies, huh? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's Jossie's nose? Look. Nose. Nose. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Can you clap your hands? Jocelyn, can you clap your hands? Oh, you found some paper. That would be fun. Okay, we're gonna stop our movie. Can you say bye-bye? Jocelyn, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye? I love you.